Hey guys, Dorothy and Marlis here. And what we want to talk about is our education. If you know anything about DreamCatchers or Marlis and myself, it's something we really pride ourselves in. With our education, you're getting everything. You're getting a hands-on class or an online class. You're getting a kit plus continued education. I know a lot of other companies out there, a lot of their education is pretty pricey, a couple $1,000s, and you're not always getting multiple different systems. So I know with us, you're getting upwards of 4 systems if you choose, minimum of 2, and you're getting everything that's included with it.
Absolutely, and literally for the price of a hot tool. Let me show you basically what all you're gonna get. This is just one of our 2 kits, and each one has a little bit of variances based on the system that you're getting. We are going to provide to you everything that you need to do these installs from start to scratch. Plus, you're going to get the Bible of hair extensions. This thing is so thick. It is going to teach you everything you need from start to finish, consultations, installation. We even have 15 pages just on creating content, social media, photography, because right now those are such key components to creating success for you in your business.
But it doesn't stop there. So just because you finish the class doesn't mean we're gonna forget about you. On average, we're going to have monthly Q&As with both Marlis and myself. So with that, you guys can ask us, the head of education, any questions you want. So if there's any wants or needs or worries, we're gonna be able to answer that for you. And let's just say outside of that monthly Q&A, we do have a community Facebook group. So at any point in the time, middle of the night, if you pop up with a question, you can throw it into that community group and help get answers or even just get feedback or give your feedback to other stylists that have finished the course with you.
Absolutely, and so many have said that that has been so impactful for them with their business. So if you want to go ahead and get signed up, please go to DreamCatchers.com and look for a class near you or sign up for our online. And if you have any questions, please feel free to call us at 1-855-DREAM-TEAM.